I want you to try fire breathing. Fire breathing will get you energized in the morning when you go to work, whether it's at a center, whether it's downstairs or whatever it is. And it'll also help your kids, especially if you live in a cold area and it's cold outside, you can't go out there, but you want to, get the energy out of these kids. So fire breathing, I'm going to demonstrate part 1 and part 2 for you. First thing, you put your hand over your mouth. And you're going to breathe in and out with your nose slowly 3 times. Easy. After the 3rd breath, you're going to speed it up. And when you breathe out, what's going to happen is your body will automatically breathe in. I'm going to demonstrate a couple of the true fire breaths. If you do yoga, this is Ujjayi breath. So it goes like this. Like that. Okay, so let's try 3 breaths first, long and deep, and then we'll do fast ones. Ready, set, go. Now take a big breath in and breathe out. And now check in with your body. How many of you feel good? Like you feel like... How many of you high energy people are like, hey man, I didn't know I was at a Cypress Hill concert. I feel pretty good right now. So breath work is super important.